Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to turn off labels in our live transcribe function in Samsung Galaxy S22. So, live caption, where it is and how to change our labels visibility. So we need to go to settings, then we need to go to our accessibility menu, next hearing enhancements, and at the top we have live caption. Right now we have it on, and here are our labels. So show sound labels includes sounds like laughter, applause, music, etc., etc. So to turn it off, we can simply do it from here. No need to save this option. We can safely go back to our home screen. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.